everybody, it's Alexandra here at Leisure RV Center DFW, a dealership powered by Vaught RV right here in Fort Worth, Texas. And today I'm about to show you around a 2025 Pleasure-Way Plateau TS. If you are looking for a luxury touring coach with rock solid quality and a effortless drivability, this coach is for you. So let's waste no more time and let's get started. So the Pleasure-Way Plateau TS is built on a 3500 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. Here on our passenger side, we have our Fiamma awning with the LED lights and our Alcoa aluminum wheels right here on our coach to give us that luxury touring coach feel. Let's head to the driver's side and we'll talk a little bit about that. Come on. Here on our driver's side, we have our utilities. So we have our hookup for our shore power, city water. Down below will be for our gray and black tank. And then we also have an exterior shower here as well. We're in the shadow, but it's exterior shower. Here on this coach, we are equipped with 24 gallons of fresh water, 35 gallons of gray, and 12 gallons on your black tank. Back here, we're gonna have our Truma AquaGo comfort furnace for our hot water, and the Pleasure-Ways are equipped with the Truma VarioHeat. So we're a Truma fan here. We got the Truma AC inside, so I'll show you that in just a bit, but let's head to the back. All right, so back here in your Pleasure-Way, you're gonna see your disconnects for your batteries and your inverter. You're equipped with 600 amp hours of lithium power in here. You also have that 3000 watt inverter. Now to kind of help you charge up those batteries, they have implemented the 2.5 quiet Onan propane generator. You also have, again, your smart plug on the side and then 300 watts of solar up top. So I love the fact of this because they allow you to run your AC off of your inverter and batteries for a little while before needing to kick on the generator being plugged in. Another point to that, they have also attached a DC to DC connector to help charge your batteries from your Mercedes alternator as you're traveling down the road. Now it's it's gonna be a trickle charger, but it's still another source of power to help you. You also have 2 seatbelts in the Pleasure-Way, so travel up to 4 people with you. So again, a luxury touring coach. If you just want to go to the Airbnb or hotel, or maybe you're making a small trip just a couple of hours away, this is perfect, this is comfortable. You have your bathroom, your food, no need to stop right here. We also have our bug screen. So if we really wanted to open the doors and have that just beautiful weather coming in like what it is today and be able to see the scene, they don't want to impede on that. So they added this in to give you kind of that open feel of it. So let's head on inside and I'll show you some awesome things about that as well. Come on. The Pleasure-Way Plateau TS really shines. You have your biggest bathroom, biggest fridge, biggest closet space, and I'll show you those here in just a second. But back here, you are filled with ample space of comfort. We have our powered sofa, and that is equipped with the ultra leather, super buttery, and memory foam. So this will turn out into your queen bed, or if you want to keep it as 2 singles, you have that option as well. I truly love all the windows in here because it brings in that natural light for something of this space. We have our awning windows across from each other, so open those up. For me, it's my favorite to have when it's raining. The water just drips right off, but you still get that lovely smell of rain, and you get a beautiful cross breeze. Back here, we are equipped with a 24-inch smart TV and our Bose soundbar, so really gonna be able to stay in tune with our favorite shows, or for me, jam out to some music at a great level while I'm cooking. You also have 2 multiplex systems in here. One's gonna be back here to be able to control all from your AC, see your tanks, see your batteries, all the shebang, control lighting, dimmable lighting, by the way, which is lovely. And you're gonna have another one up front, which we'll show you as well. So let's scoot back a little bit and I'm gonna show you the galley area. Pleasure-Way really brings a beautiful touch into their motorhomes with their cabinetry, soft closed drawers, Korean countertop. We do have a single induction burner, which really nice is if we are getting cooking and it gets a little hot in here, our AC, our Truma Venta is not far away. It is a 13.5 BTU AC. Then we also have our vent fan right across. Beautiful black finishes. This was something that they changed in the 2025 along with their acoustic paneling. In here we have a Korean insert for our sink that can also be used as a cutting board. Love dual purposes. And then a beautiful farm style stainless steel sink. So this is gorgeous. Over here is one of my favorites. So we have a Norcold 12 volt refrigerator. It's 8.1 cubic feet. Separate fridge for my Jimmy Dean and ice cream. Then bottom is going to be a refrigerator for all of my juices, steaks, and you know the goods. So right above that, we have the convection microwave and grill. So we have that equipped in here. This closet space is amazing. For somebody who is an overpacker, this will hold all of my clothes. My fiance gets a cabinet of some sort, but this will hold all my clothes. In here is going to be your table that will mount into the back in your rear lounge area, and then also up in the front by your passenger seat. So you can have two spaces of living. If somebody wakes up earlier than the other, or if somebody goes to bed earlier than the other, they can have those two spaces because those seats do rotate around, and we'll talk more about that once we get up into the cab. This unit has 110 plugs all the way around the galley. You also have a 110 plug down here by your jump seat. So phone chargers, we got USB ports down below on your jump seats as well in between the bed. And so then that way, chargers, CPAP machines, all of that, we have power for those. Coming back here, our other multiplex system is going to be right here by our door. So if we're outside, we can just pop in, check everything out, say it's all good. We have our another roll down bug screen. What I love is that it is a magnet catch, so you don't have to keep unzipping and zipping things up. Come check out the bathroom. Here is our bathroom. Again, we have so much space. This is one of the biggest bathrooms that Pleasure-Way makes. We have our foot flush toilet. We have a sink in here. Again, our black finishes. This laminate is waterproof, so we have our shower curtain to be able to block off and make sure not everything gets soaking wet, but if it does, no worries. They have it handled and they thought things through. So we have made it up here into the Mercedes-Benz cab area. Again, the Pleasure-Way Plateau TS is built on a 3500 chassis. It has the 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine in it. We have all of our safety features that kind of are now our creature features of what we would have in our vehicle. Digital rear view mirror, one of my personal favorites, because I like to see everything, you know, go on behind me and make sure we're staying safe in traffic. We have all of our safety features again, lane keeping assist, braking assist, blind spot detection, anything that you possibly could want is going to be equipped into these. We have the powered seating and they reupholsterize with the ultra leather, so super buttery, very comfortable. Powered seating, heated seats, adaptive cruise control. Don't know if I mentioned that, but again, one of my personal favorites. This is the Mercedes-Benz chassis. Pause for all of the safety features listed right next to me. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video today. Like and subscribe down below to stay tuned for some more, and also drop a comment of what your favorite thing was about the new 2025 Pleasure-Way Plateau TS. Come in and see us here at Leisure RV Center DFW, and let's get you into your next Pleasure-Way.